This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss one more built-in function in GW Basic Programming Language, and the name of the function is tan function. And the purpose is that tan function is used to calculate the trigonometric tangent of a given number x in radians. The syntax is tan, and the argument is enclosed in the parenthesis. If tan overflows, the overflow error message is displayed. To obtain the tan x when n is in degree, use the following formula: tan parenthesis n into 3.14 divided by 180 parenthesis close. Example is on line 10, n equal to 10, line 20, print tan parenthesis n, line 30, end. Now we will execute the same example in the form of program and we'll see the output of this program. So how it generates the output of this value tan and give us the value of n and calculate the value of n tangent. So let's switch to the IDE. Here we are, viewers. Will write on 10, line 10, n equal to 10, and then on line 20 we will type print statement with tan function, and in the parenthesis we will enclose variable n. Now this n contains the value of 10, number 10, and this tan function will calculate the tangent of value 10. Now we press the F2 key, and this is the exact value calculated by the function tan. This is how this function is useful in calculating the value, the tangent value of any given number. One more example. On line 10 we will type input n, and on line 20 we will type print tan n, and then we will execute it by pressing the F2 key. Now this program asks us to give the value of n, so if we give like 150 value of n and press the enter key, so this is the tangent value of value 150. So this is how we can use the tangent value of any number by assigning or initializing the value in the program, or by using the input statement so that the user can give any value after executing the program. So there are two different ways through which we can use the value of tangent of any number. So let's switch to the text area. I'm going to explain these two programs to you guys one after another. So let's switch to the text area. So viewers, now these are two programs we just executed in the IDE of GW Basic Programming Language. So first I'm going to explain the program one to you guys line by line. So on line 10. Number 10 is assigned to numeric variable named n on the left hand side by using the assignment operator equal to symbol. So this is how assignment is done. Right hand side is always assigned to the left hand side. Okay, on line 20, print statement is used with 10 function, and we passed variable n, which now contains the value of number 10, and this function will actually return the tangent value of number 10. So after running the above program, the calculated tangent value of number 10 is 0.6483609. So this is how this execution is done. So let's discuss the next program, which is slightly different from the first one, this one. Now I'll discuss the next program. Before this, I'm going to highlight and make bold the number, some important numbers and values which are calculated in this program. So these are all actually built-in functions provided by the GW Basic Programming Language, and they are actually developed by the developer of the programming language, GW Basic. Now we will discuss this one. So on line 10, input statement is used with numeric variable named n. This statement, the input statement, right after the execution of above program will prompt the user to give value as an input to the computer program. On line 20, print statement is used with 10 function by passing the variable named n, which actually take the value of any number given by the user of this program. So in above program, right after the execution, the user actually gave the value number 150, and the 10 function calculate, and the tangent value of number 150 calculated by 10 function is minus 1.022346. So this is the execution of the program. I discussed with you guys line after line. So I'm gonna highlight some of the important name statements and function names. Just for your better understanding and knowledge. You can give any other value if you want to. We can then have a different calculated value, tangent value, calculated by the tangent function, tan function, built-in function provided by GW Basic Programming Language. So in this video of today we have discussed the tan function, built-in function, which is used to calculate the trigonometric tangent of a given number x in radians. So this is the basic number system, radian system, gradient number system. There are two different number systems like fixed number system, radian number system, and gradient number system. So we discussed that the tan function is actually provide the trigonometric tangent value of any number x or n or any number. X is just an ordinary variable which can be used anywhere, like here we can use n or x or a or anything, but the calculated value should be in radians. This should be kept in mind. Can be asked as a question in multiple choice question and true or false. So viewers, that's all. Thanks for watching. In our next video we will discuss more built-in functions of GW Basic Programming Language.